subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
After launching Motorola One Fusion Plus smartphone, the company has now launched the lower variant of it as Motorola One Fusion. Talking about the specifications, the Motorola One Fusion supports a 6.5-inch HD Plus Max Fusion display with a water drop notch that houses 8-megapixel selfie camera. At the back, the phone features a vertically aligned quad camera setup including LED flash. The quad ray camera includes 48-megapixel main camera along with the 8-megapixel ultra wide angle lens plus 5-megapixel macro and 2-megapixel depth sensor. The rear panel of the phone also features a fingerprint sensor equipped under the Motorola logo for biometric authentication. Under the hood, the Motorola One Fusion comes powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 710 chipset paired with Adreno 616 GPU. The smartphone packs with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage that is expandable via hybrid microSD card slot. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 10 out of the box and it houses 5000 mAh battery. Additionally, the smartphone also features a dedicated Google Assistant button for voice control. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 164.96 by 75.85 by 9.4 mm and it weighs around 202 grams. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. The Motorola One Fusion is now available for purchase in Latin American countries at a price of 199,990 Chilean pesos and it comes in emerald green and deep sapphire blue color options. So, what do you guys think of this Motorola One Fusion smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.